Yo, everyone, it's Chris O. Just a few more tiles and I'm at the door, so it'll be off again. Tomorrow I do the walls, so that'll give me a good full day. I've had the a few half days. I do lose about a day doing the bathroom when I waterproof on top of my screed, because there's not a lot that can be done while you're waiting for things to dry. So you do lose a little bit of time. But if you're a DIY, it doesn't matter because you're doing it in your spare time anyway. When you do your mud over your screed, things go a little bit smoother. But I think it's going to be the way to go, and that's waterproof over your screed. It's been done for years the other way. It's still getting done that way, but I don't really know if it'll last long. I don't think it'll be around very much longer. It'll be waterproof on top of your mud, people. So it's into the walls tomorrow, which is cool. I'm looking forward to it. I've lost a little bit of time, but the other stuff came up as well. Clips are so cool. But the way that shower worked out, that's incredible. How the width of it and it just like it's all nice and even. It's bloody beautiful, actually, the way it's come out. Some people say, gee, you worked that out well, Chris. Nah, I actually fluked it. That it came out all even and nice like that. I'm sorry to say, but it wasn't me. I worked it out and I centralised it, yes, but it was neat the way it turned out. A good shower floor, I allow a day for it. It doesn't always take a day to do, but it's something that you should just slow down and get it right. And when you know it's right and you're building up off it the next day, makes it so easy. Things just go so nice. The cut I prepared earlier. Is that going to go, or do I have to cut a bit off? Ah, a bit too tight. Don't force it, Chriso. Okay, I'll cut another piece for that. I've got to put my door stop across here. Once I've got this, right, let's just goop it in. Will I have enough silicone nut? Did I bring the other tube? Yep, the other sausage. Come on. You always get a bit restricted in bathrooms, not a lot of room. My son is also a tiler. He doesn't like doing bathrooms. He says to me, "Oh, Dad, I don't know how you do it when you haven't got enough room and things are getting under your feet," which they do a bit. But you get around it. I'd rather do bathrooms now than be outside doing around pools and that sort of thing in the hot sun. Not for me anymore. I used to do a lot of that, round pools and the likes. Now, if there ever was any water that came under the tile and was leaking from the shower, this would stop it. It wouldn't go anywhere. It wouldn't be able to come out the door. We'll goop it across there, put a bit in there, put a bit there. Whoop! I'll just pop these couple of tiles in and then I'll mosey off home. So we'll see you soon on the next one. The next step is doing my walls, and I'll be into them tomorrow morning. See you soon. Bye.